Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Linux files permissions and ownership. This is one of the most important topics for Linux administrator because permissions can help secure files and directories from unauthorized access. By the end of this video, you will understand who owns the file and how permissions will work and how to manage them using the commands. What are the permissions? Before understanding the permissions, we need to know that Linux is a multi-user operating system. Multiple users can work on the same server at the same time. Now you can imagine everyone can access and modify every file, so that would create a security issues. To resolve that, Linux uses file permissions. These permissions decide who can read and who can execute and who can write a file. This ensures that only authorized people can access the file. In Linux, every file and directory has a owner. In, there are three categories we need to understand. The first is the user or owner who created the file, and the second one is group. A group is a collection of users who may need to similar access. The third one is others. Others means every user on the system who is not the owner or does not belong to any group means those people are called others. Next, file permissions types. Linux provides three types of permissions. The first permission is read, and it is represented by letter R. And read permission allows users to view the content inside the file. The second permission is write. It is represented by W. Write permission allows users to modify the file. The third permission is execute. It is represented by X. Execute permission allows users to run the script or a program in a file. Understanding the file permission structure. Let's look at an example. Suppose we have permission string like hyphen rwx hyphen r minus x and rww sorry r hyphen hyphen. Here hyphen means here if it is a directory means here it will show d means directory like that. Here first one is hyphen. So one are having full permissions here and the group having only read and execute permission only and others having only read only permission. Here, numeric permissions. Instead of assigning permissions using letters, Linux administrator commonly use numbers. This is the better because read means if you see here read means once again uh, here see if read means read is equal to 4, write equal to 2 and execute is equal to 1. Like that we can assign the permissions. If you need all the permissions together we need to get a 7 which means read write execute and 5 means only read and execute and 4 means only read only permission we give. Like this we can update the file. Okay, here chmod command what here it's showing means user it is giving execute permission to the user and here we are removing the write permissions to the file. Here 755 means one having full permissions, 5 means 4 plus 1 read plus execute and for others also read plus execute they can able to execute the script. Here ch1 command is used to change the file per ownership. Sometimes a file may belongs to user but we want to transfer the ownership to another user. That time we will use this ch1 command. You can use change the only owner but both the owner and group as well. Okay, I will show in CLI as well. I'm going to open terminal now. Okay, I will create one file. Actually, I have created one file. Sorry, I exited from that one. Sudo su hyphen linux. Just I have one created one file actually file.sh. I will remove and no file such a direct. One second. I have created under this ls hyphen ld file.sh. Now I am removing this file and I will create again. Okay. How to remove the file rm-rf file.sh file name you can give. I have removed the file. There is no file now here. Okay, I will go to create one file now. Touch file.sh. Hashtag created one file. In Linux default permissions it will provide. See default permissions like 5 I mean 4 plus 6 6 4 4. It is default permissions it given 644 means Six means read and read and write. Four means only read. Here others also read. Here who is the owner and who is the group? Root is the owner and root is the group. Okay, only I will I will give one bash script. I will write a one script inside the file. Okay. No bash. Sorry, insert mode. Bash, bash slash bin bash. This is one of the bash script. Just I am giving here def-h output. Okay. Now I'm just w2 and if I run this command, it will execute. It will get the output from df-h. Okay. Just I am running dot slash file dot sh. Actually, if you see here, even root also can't able to execute this file because root also owner also don't have able to access to execute this file. See, permissions denied. Now I am giving execute permission to the owner. How to give chmod command 744. Okay, I am giving full permissions to the owner. File.sh. Now root able to execute this file. Dot slash is the command to execute the any script. Okay, it is the program. Now you can able to execute this file. Now I have created some of the users. First I will show here at etc password. Here these are the users I created now. Okay, first I will go to Ravanth ID. Okay, just I created Ravanth. Here Ravanth don't have any sudo privileges, root access or nothing. He don't have any access. Now I'm switching to Ravanth account and I'm executing this file. Okay, just su hyphen Ravanth. Okay, now ls hyphen ld file.sh because I need to go to the root. I created under root only, right? So ls hyphen ld file.sh. See here only owner only having execute permission. Group also don't have and others also don't have able to access this. So just I am executing this file.sh. See here permission denied. He also can't able to execute. Now I am giving owner permissions. Chown. Just I am type. See I am changing root to owner. Here root is the group, right? Here I am changing owner is Ravanth. Okay. Ch own permission to change Ravanth slash. Here I can give sap. Okay, I have created one group. I will create in front of you as well. Okay, sap is the one of group I created file.sh. Now who all are having in sap group, they are all also able to access this file. If I provide here access means owner group having access means they can able to access this file. Now I change it to owner is Ravanth, right? Now I am switching. He can able to execute this file. Slash dot slash file.sh. Okay, see now output we are getting df-h output we are getting here. Normally if you run df-h means same output it will show because I write it script. Okay, now we can able to execute this file. Now I showed in sap group, right? I have created just group add command is we can add to group add like we can create dev already exist. Okay, now I create a group like network. I will create one group. Okay, group add network. Who all are having network? I see. Now I created one group. We can see all groups here also at etc. Just I created network group. Here these are the even every user having group also. So here Praveen Raman these are also one of the group. Here SAP also one of the group. Network I created, right? Now what is the file permissions? File dot sh. Okay. Now I will change this app to network team. Ch1 11. Also I will change the permissions. Okay, I will change only group. Okay. Network file dot sh. Okay, I change the file permissions now. Ownership I change in network. Now I am adding one user to network group. Then they can able to access. I will change the file permissions after. Just I am adding one person Praveen I will add. Okay, I have created already user. How to add the group? Okay, user mod hyphen a g network Praveen. Yeah, I added Praveen to network group. Now I will go to execute. I will go switch to Praveen account and I will execute this permission, but it won't execute because there is no permissions to execute. The who all are having good, they can only read only. They can able to do. They can't able to execute the permission. Now select file.sh. See permissions denied. Okay. Now what I am going to do? I will give the permissions to who group as well. Chmod 755 file.sh. If you check the file permissions now, file.sh, sorry, finally file.sh. See here, execute permission I given read r minus x. Okay, now already added Praveen added in network, right? Now here I am switching to Praveen account. He can able to execute. Change it to root. Sorry, the file is under here, right? Rooted. So I am moving to this path dot slash file.sh. See, he can able to access now. Finally, I will show others also. Okay. Now you understand, I think so. Everyone can understand. Finally, file.sh. Okay. Now I will add another user into network. They can able to access. Okay. I will show right multiple users in the group. They can able to access. At etc group. Here network only Praveen only there. Some other user also I will add. Okay. At etc password file. What are the users are there? Sorry. See here, these are the users. Now I will add to ROM to user. Here, user mod hyphen ag ROM. No, group name we need to give. Here, what is the group network? ROM. Now I added ROM into network group. See here, file.sh. Who all are having network group, they can able to execute this file. Now I am switching to ROM. Change directly to slash dot slash file.sh. I think so. Oh, sorry. I'm giving path only. Can be able to exit, I think. Sorry, need to be in path. See, I'm also able to access this file. Now everyone can. Now others only we didn't try, right? I will try others also. So finally file.sh. Yeah, others also able to execute this file. Now Avanth and network group and others. Who all are others means other users. I will check Vishnu ID. I will check Vishnu ID. Okay. See, Vishnu is in Oracle group, but he can able to execute this file. See, Vishnu, I have provided others also having access to execute this file. Hmm, file.sh, right? Dot file.sh. See, he can able to execute this file. Now everything explained. Maybe okay. This is the file permissions. How file permissions working here? Basically, every in the production servers, maybe like the scripts they want to execute. That time you want to change the file permissions and ownership and group permissions also. This is helpful for while troubleshooting as well. Okay, thank you for watching.